All right, so I sent my wife to the store for one pan. And I guess this is exactly what one pan looks like when you bring the whole family. We upgraded from our old RV pots and pans to these new RV pots and pans. Now check this out. Now this is actually really cool. You see this honeycomb design right here? I've never actually owned a pan with honeycomb design, but after doing a lot of research on it, this gives us that non-stick surface right here. It also helps dissipate the heat so that you're cooking evenly. That's why it's on the back side, right? You don't want it sticking on the back side, but really we don't want it sticking on the inside because this helps evenly distributes the heat across all the pan. Our biggest frying pan, now as you can see behind me, we have the big pan, medium pan, and little baby pan. But you see these handles right here, they're long enough, they contour enough to where even when I'm cooking, I can easily grab them and they're cold to touch. The heat dissipates really nicely where it's warm here, cold here. In fact, they recommend that you cook these things on low to medium heat. Look at that egg. Just sliding all the way around. And, oh, got it. I just want to show you how easy it is to flip these eggs. Now we already got that one flipped, but we're going to flip this one. Look at that, like butter. We're just going to slide right under here and grab this. Now we just have a wooden spatula because that's what we used to use with our old pots and pans, but this you can actually use metal on here. So again, I'm going to try to flip that egg just like so. And then all this stuff right here, look how easy that is. Check that out. Just like that, that egg is done and we're good to go. Put that over here. So this is a 14-piece cookware, and now 14 pieces, you get the pan, you get the lid, those are 2 pieces. You get the frying pans, you get a saute pan, you get a 6-quart pan, and you get a couple other smaller saucepans right here. Now don't let it fool you, these are 2 different sizes right here. So you get a little guy and a medium guy and a big guy, not to mention a heat pad for a non-stick, and this part right here, non-slip. Now I get non-stick stuck in my head because these pans are non-stick, but this is non-slip, and it's gonna keep your kitchen counter so they don't get warm or hot. All right, so you got a steamer pan. You can put this in there if you wanted to put a little pot, or you can raise it up. That's what it's for. So you can raise it up just like so, put that on like that, and then you got yourself a steamed veggies right there. Put a little water under there, you're good to go with some steam. So that's kind of fun. You can get a steamer in action. All right, let's come back and check out these eggs really quick. This egg is perfectly cooked. I didn't really do anything. It just slid off of this like butter, if you saw that. And to wash it, it's super easy. Now these do well at low to medium heat, but they can go up to 500 degrees. So if you wanna go up to 500 degrees, think searing a steak or something like that, you can do that. The other thing is that they are dishwasher safe, and season your pots and pans is just take some olive oil, about a teaspoon of olive oil, wipe it around and heat it up on low heat. You're good to go. That's all you gotta do to get these at premium quality. Now these are your professional pots and pans, guys. If you love cooking in the kitchen and you hate cleaning up messes and you like how easy it is to not burn your food, these might be worth checking out for sure.